is an extremely difficult task. But I am lucky, everybody knows him. Oh, sorry, actually everybody not knows him, more appropriately loves him. In one line, Dr. Felton is a darling friend of Professor Chauhan. He's an excellent teacher and a top-notch corporate trainer. Instead of wasting any time in introduction, I request Dr. Felton to take us to the new horizons of corporate work.
Okay, thank you, my friend. And a warm good morning to all of you. Well, managers, there's only one thing in life, and everyone wants to be successful. And if you want to be successful, you don't need to have clothes on. All that you require to have is something within your heads. Now, as you have all seen that around you, there are the blue hats, the green hats, the white hats. What else? The red, the black. Colors are necessary. Past few days you celebrated the festival of lights, and all of you had a lot of color in the festival that we just celebrated. Now, this morning, coming over here to be part of this training program, I first need to salute Edward de Bono, who's given me a chance to be here. Well, his books have been very inspirational. It's part of the management game today to know the way you think. Now, all of us do think. The question that I would like to ask you is, how do we think? When do we think? And ultimately, why do we think? And there are times when we don't think at all. And we require to have such a situation in our life as well, where we just shut down, do nothing, and we need to recharge our batteries if we need to go on. I'd like to start this session, as I said, with a salute to Edward de Bono, who was one of the reasons for us to sit here and discuss about the 6 ticking hats. And I need to salute, as you said, my darling friend. He once said, Felton, if you were, I would have loved to have you as my son-in-law. But I told him, no, that would have not been the right way to do it, because then I have to bear with you every day. It's okay to be with you once in a while, but to bear with you daily and for you to bear with me daily would not be appropriate. So we left ourselves as a mentor and a mentee, or a teacher and a student, and we leave ourselves where we are. Now I try to start this session by telling you, giving you a video, an inspirational video as to why we should be happy. Everyone wants to be successful. Wearing the blue hat or the green hat or the white hat or the yellow hat or the red hat. We all would like to be successful. Well, all the black hats are looking very sober. The white hats are looking a little bit open. The green hats are looking divine. The yellow hats looking with a lot of life. The emotional reds and the overall blues. Have I left out something? No. Let's see this very beautiful video. I think we can dim the lights so that the young girl, what's her name? Vinutha does not know Santosh. Vinutha, you can ask any question that you want to know more about Santosh. And Santosh, you are supposed to give her the information which is required. So now we are going back, he's going to give information. Vinutha is going to ask. So now the white hats are going to be played over here. Your first question.
Santosh Kumar.
Santosh Kumar, information has come. Second one.
I'm from Gulbarga, Karnataka.
He is from Gulbarga, Karnataka. For those of whom who don't know him, he is from Gulbarga, Karnataka. The third question. Ask, that's it. Oh no. Vinutha, there's a lot of things that you need to know about this young man, Santosh. Santosh, you can ask questions.
I know
come from?
She's from Mysore.
She's from Mysore. She's staying in Bansangri. Then why don't you ask her? Get clarity. He thinks that she is studying in Mysore. Now ask her a question.
Where did you study?
In Mysore.
Which college?
SDM college.
So she studied in STM college. What else do you know about her?
Very old.
Whoa!
Come give her a oh. Boyfriend, girlfriend, or you want me to ask? When was she born? Don't know, ask. 20th July. Now listen, friends.
Here.
We have few things over here. There are gaps of knowledge. He said, I knew her. But at the same time, there were a lot of things which you did not know about each other. So what do we know we do when we don't know each other? Or we don't know about something? We ask questions. And we have to ask questions so that what we need, we would get. Thanks, Vinutha. Thanks, Santosh. So you saw how we... The overall, the control, the agenda, the summation, the summary, all these things are set when we use the blue hat. So the blue hat is being used to have an overall, to have the control, to have the conclusion, to have the summation or the summarization. We use the blue hats. So the blue hat is one which gives you the direction. The overall, just like the sky, you have the overall coming out of the blue hat. Now suppose we are going to use the yellow hat. What do you expect a person using a yellow hat to be? Okay, you have the positive thinking. New ideas. New ideas come from the green or from...
Creativity.
So the brighter side always comes from the yellow.
Yellow.
What the positive side of it? We were looking into all the advantages, all the savings, all the benefits. Everything came out of the yellow hat. So suppose you wear the yellow hat. You always go to the better side of things, or the positive side of things. So we went the blue and now the yellow. Now shall we put the white hat on? So if I am going to use the white hat, the data, the information, the needs, the gaps, and listening. So while we go on, very good system. So while we go on with the white hat, the focus, the dimension is on data, on information, on listening, on needs, and gaps if any. What is a gap? A gap is what is intended and what you have attained. Suppose you have come here with a lot of dreams, that you would learn so many things out of a session like this. At the end of it, what you expected and what you got, if they match each other, that means you are happy. If not, if it is what was expected and what was intended, what was attained, if they were not together, that means there is a gap. So in a gap analysis, what we do is, we try to find out the reasons why this particular thing has happened. And if in case we have answers for them or solutions to them, we try to replace them and we try to do something to solve the problem. So we have 3 hats coming out. Now we come with the dangerous black. Now everyone says black is beautiful. Somebody said black is the color of my true love's heart. Black is the color of my true love's heart. Now can we see the heart? Actually, heart is an illusion. We feel out of heart flows the love. And many people say heart, the moment you see this one, it's from Cupid. One arrow going and some of the arrows keep moving in, dripping of blood and all these things. And on Valentine's Day, so many people said, see, my heart is with you. Your heart, please give me your heart. There's a Christmas song they said, last Christmas.